Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Gemini training Polaroid photo, or whatever you want. So basically, first of all, of course, you need to open Google Gemini and log into your account, and you will need two photos of yourself and the celebrity with what celebrity you want to take a photo with. So first of all, open the Google Gemini chat. Here I am on the chat right now, not in the Google Banana, but on the default chat. And first of all, I need to upload two photos of myself and the celebrity. I just saved them on my computer, so I will now just simply attach them to the message. And here the last step is you need to simply paste the prompt. So this what prompt looks like. I will just leave it in the description. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, so you need to try and try and try, because I tried like 10 times, and one of 10 times it worked. Sometimes it refuses just to create an image. So now the images are loaded. We can just simply go and submit the image, and now it will load. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, just try again, and it will work. If now it won't generate the image, or it is generating like this. So as you can see, here will be the image of me and Shrek. So yeah, it will look something like that. You can change the prompts so it will look some different. So it will be more dark, or in the other place, everything you want. But basically, that is how you can make a Google Gemini training photo. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.